Hello guys, look, I'm in a new setting. I thought I would decide to do something different than my old bathroom. Let's see how it works. Let's see, do I need to pull this down a little bit? I have this big giant mirror and I'm sitting leaning against it because it's hard for me to, nope, cat. Plus this is that new selfie stick that I don't like. I still can't find my old one. No lipstick again. My lip it's like it goes through stages. Right now it's just very tender, sore, and bleh, icky. Anyway, I got Stitch Fix. So let us open this up and see what is in here. Yeah, I don't really have a good mirror in here, and my boyfriend got this. I don't know if someone was throwing it out or something. It's huge and it is so blasted heavy. There is no way I would hang that thing up. So it's sitting here leaning against, I guess you call this thing a wardrobe, where I keep my work clothes. So every day I gotta lean that back and get my stuff out of it. Pain in the butt. Okay, now I told you last time I am not gonna buy the whole box again. I just can't be doing this. It's costing me. But there's so much neat stuff from Stitch Fix. Okay, let us look in the green paper. Okay, everything in this box is $272. If you buy everything, you get a 25% discount, which makes it minus $68. So the whole box would be $204. Okay. So part of me is like, don't like stuff. Just don't. And like I said, you know what I discussed? Now, I guess I'm stupid. I guess I never thought of this. When I was checking out last time on the app, on the top it said return. It said something about exchanging. I did not know that you could exchange sizes from the stuff you get in your Stitch Fix box. I had no clue. It just makes me sick. The stuff that I had tried on, and I loved it, but it was too big, too small. I didn't know that you can send it back and exchange it for a bigger or smaller size. Duh. Now I know. That's probably something dangerous to know. Ooh, a lot of dark things. So let us open this up. I don't know, I kind of might like this. We'll have to see how I like sitting like this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold stuff up very well, but all right. First thing in the box. Daniel Rain, a Stephanie lace detail split neck blouse in navy, and that is $64. You know, I think I have, this is pretty. I think I have some shirts in this same style. You got the lattice thing there, you got the lattice thing here, and you got it on the back. But it's just a different pattern. Now I do like this. This is navy. Of course I would like it. There you go. And again, it's very see-through, so you would have to wear something underneath it. Yeah, I mean, that would look real nice with navy pants. Okay, next thing. Fortune and Ivy, Kaysen split neck blouse in blue. And that is $38. I like, wait a minute, I was just wanting to feel that material. I like it, but you know what? It almost looks too narrow. It doesn't look very wide. Ooh, look at that front. Isn't that neat? I love the colors. Love, love, love the colors. The back is black. Is that navy or black? It's black. That's really neat. I do like that one. But it is a medium, so like I know I can exchange it, right? Okay, not as dressy as the last one to me. Okay, we have some pants. Tribal. High-rise pull-on straight pant with waist detail and side slit. Black. Tribal. $58. Okay. These are, okay, what's the waist detail thing? Oh, no, that's just the tag. I don't really know what that is. I don't know, but this tag is kind of weird. It's stuck right in the middle of the pants. Okay, it's just a pair of black pants. I think that's the back. Just black pants. I don't know if they're stretchy. Yep, they're stretchy. So there's nothing really remarkable. They're just straight leg. I mean, I'll try them on. Wow, look how good that looks with that. Uh-oh. Okay. Next. Ooh, a pair of blue pants. Okay. Violets and Roses, Harrietta mid-rise skinny pant in navy. $58. Stretchy. I love these stretchy pants. They're different than the other ones. The other ones I just showed you are pull-on. These have a zipper and a button, and those do not have pockets, and this has pockets. So there is the front. You can see that they're navy. They're very stretchy. I can't really, they said they're skinny, so you know how the bottom of skinny pants are. So they're just pants. Okay. But of course, that will probably go with that other top. So, do I have one more thing left? Now, I did just get a pair of black pants last time. The ones that had the zippers on the side. So, STS blue, Emma mid-rise ankle, ankles, okay. Emma mid-rise ankle skinny jean with finished hem in black. How many black pants can you have? I do not have navy, I don't think. I do have black pants already. $54. Okay, these are, the material is so cool. It's stretchy and it looks kind of shiny. Uh-oh, I think I'm in trouble here. They kind of look like jeans. I don't know if you could tell, but they're not jeans. There's pockets on the back. Yeah, they might be too, I don't know. They look like they're gonna fit tight, but I can exchange them. I will say, I do like, again, I do like everything in this box. If there was one, of course, I don't know if they fit. I don't know what it looks like. I'm still not losing much weight. I didn't walk on my treadmill. I did tonight, just a little bit, but my belt was going to one side and I had to mess with it, so I didn't have much time. So I'm trying, but it sure is hard. I'm gonna try this stuff on. Part of me says, I hope this it's not good. I hope I do not like everything in that box. I could be a serial shopper, basically. I'm horrible at that. As you can tell, look at those are just shirts right here. See, right here and there. Those are shirts with like sayings on them and t-shirt, plain old t-shirts, collared like this t-shirts. I did put those jeans on my Poshmark site. So if you want to take a look at those jeans, yeah, you can't see, let's see. Nope, you can't really see over here, let's see. Right there, I have some work shirts, and then I have a whole ton of Nike stuff, and then right here I got all my Nike shorts. But anyway, what do you think of this new place to sit here and talk? I mean, I like it because I'm not standing up. It's not very good lighting. It is about 7:30, 7:45 at night. I have my shade shut, so it's not the greatest lighting in the world. I do like I can just sit here and talk to you guys. So, and I think I showed off the clothes pretty well. I mean, you didn't see the bottom of the pants, but they're just pants. Oh, the cat's in the box. So, I will try these on, let you know how it goes, of course, and hopefully I will not buy a bunch of clothes. So I got this Stitch Fix here. I told you about the last video that was coming. I also have a pair of Jordans coming. They're called, let's see, I can't think, something about what is it, 6? What's up 6? Something like that. I don't know. They're men's shoes. I got them in a 6.5, which is the same as an 8 in women's. I may not like them at all. They haven't even shipped yet. So yeah, I might not like them at all. So that's all I have right now. I'm going to go in there and try these things on and let you know what I think. Gosh, I am using Carmex. Somebody mentioned I've used Carmex this whole time. And I really think of everything I've tried, the Carmex has been the best. I got some Lysine, is that how you say it? With numbing stuff, and I just put that on. But my lip is still swollen, and it's like I just want to rip my mouth off. This is day 8 of the cold sore. At least I can sleep. It was keeping me up where I couldn't even sleep, so at least I'm past that. Okay, I gotta quit talking because I'm getting off subject, but thank you so much for watching my, oh, what number is this? 80! Number 80 Stitch Fix. Wow, that is a milestone. My 80th Stitch Fix. I think I do want to do a video of all the Stitch Fix clothes I have bought. I think that would be a good one. So, okay guys, thank you again so much for watching. And I really appreciate you guys watching my channel, my videos, stuff that's going on with me. So I will try this stuff on and let you know what happens. See you guys later.